right now I am making some avocado toast. It's one of my favorite snacks. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even just whenever. When you get home from class and you're like, I want a snack, but I don't want to eat chips, or I don't want to eat something at a dining hall if you do live in the dorms. And all you need is some bread, tomatoes, and avocado, feta cheese, and then if you would like, salt and pepper, and then I add this everything seasoning. So if you are in a dorm, you don't have to do all the extra like tomatoes and feta. You could just do the avocado on a toast with some salt and pepper. And when I was in the dorm, I used to cook it in a toaster in the dining hall, and then I'd just bring my avocado down with me. But now that I have my own toaster, it makes it so much easier. Let's get started. So now that my bread is toasted, very lightly, I do not like it to be too dark, I'm gonna mash up the avocado now. Take your mash and then spread it onto your bread. So once it's evenly distributed, you are going to cut up your tomatoes and sprinkle your feta. Healthy snack is super simple. We're just going to put some carrots and hummus on a plate and dip them. Like, it's so straightforward, but it's so good and a great source of protein. So I love doing this when I am out of class, I'm super hungry and I'm looking for something quick. And I usually buy my hummus at Sprouts. I just like the Sprouts brand because it's super natural and I love the flavor. I just get the original. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by placing the carrots on the plate. And these are super easy foods to keep in your dorm too if you don't have an apartment, because you have your little mini fridge and that's all you really need. Like, you can honestly fit a lot in there if you tried. Like, I would jam that thing full. And then after, you will just scoop this on the plate. Here you have it, and honestly, I might add some salt and pepper to taste just because this is such a simple snack and it's so straightforward. You might want to add some spices just to like spice it up a bit. This is another one of my go-to snacks for college, and all you'll need is bread, again, any kind of bread you like or you have with you. You're gonna wanna toast it, but if you don't have access to a toaster, it's fine. A banana and then peanut butter or almond butter. Today I'm gonna go with almond butter because that's just what I'm craving, but it's totally up to you. The last step is going to be just placing your bananas on your almond butter toast like so, and I promise you it is the most delicious healthy snack that you will ever eat. Like, it tastes like candy and yet it is still super healthy, has lots of protein but also has good sources of carbs and healthy fats. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So for today's snack, we're just gonna be making something simple, just kind of like the carrots and the hummus, but today it's just gonna be an apple and peanut butter. I have been making this snack ever since high school. It got me through my day, cheer practice, dance practice, everything like that. Like, it really gives you an energy boost and it's super delicious. The sweet apple and like the peanut butter just complement each other so well. Let's get started. So I like cutting my apple with an apple slicer, but if you don't have access to one of those, I would just use a knife. I know they have apples in the dining hall too, so this is super easy if you do live in a dorm. This was one of my favorites last year too. So I have sliced and arranged my apples, and now I will just place some peanut butter in the center to dip them. Make sure you don't go overboard on the peanut butter, however, because peanut butter is, if you use too much of it, it's not healthy for you. The serving size is only 2 tablespoons, so that should be perfect.